Hi everybody and welcome to my new channel. Today we take a look at the unboxing of a new action camera by MGCOOL, the Explorer 3. Let's find out what's in the box. On the top we see the action camera in its waterproof case. There is also a small box that contains different types of accessories and supports to hook around our action camera or using it as a dash cam. We have the charging cable, that's not a micro USB charging cable, and also the user manual with instruction for using the camera. As I told you before, the action camera comes in its waterproof case up to 30 meters, and the first feeling I got when I hold it in my hand was very good. We have a great step forward in terms of quality in comparison to the previous models of the Chinese company. The action camera is very beautiful and good looking. It has a rubber finish on each side. On the front side we can see the logo MGCOOL Explorer 3. On the right side there is the speaker, and on the top we have two different buttons with different functions and the Wi-Fi signal symbol. On the left side we have the charging ports, the mini HDMI ports, and the slot to insert the memory card. Downside we have a slot to insert or remove the battery. On the back there is also a 2-inch touch display with good colors and good viewing angles. The touch permits a better interaction with the camera functions, and we also have the possibility to set up the video resolution up to 4K at 30 frames per second. In this day I'm gonna test this action camera and I'll let you know how it performs.